Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. So, got one that I found at Walmart, and it was on deep discount, yo. I remember these were like $4 a pop. I think this was like 50 cents. One Culture Foods. Chicken, Chinese chicken noodle with bone broth, ginger, and shiitake. Everybody likes their shiitake. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take. That's the deal. Empty all ingredients. Fill water to line, microwave for 2 minutes on high, loosen noodles, 30 seconds more on high, and enjoy. I'm gonna do it at 1,000 watts. I don't want the whole thing to catch fire. We have a 1250 watt microwave, okay? That's the kind of caliber of microwave we have. I don't know, I thought that having an extra high wattage microwave would be the way to go, and now I'm kind of like, 1,000 would have been easier. But it's neat, it does music. Miles, my son, when it goes off, it goes, and he like sings that all day now. All of a sudden though, he seems to be like afraid of the microwave. They're at that age where like the whole concept of being scared now is like a thing. I guess these are made in Korea. At least the noodles. Here is the powder sachet. This is probably the bone broth element. Trash out. But I always wait until it gets nice and full to do so. And then there's this sachet. I'm gonna guess it's just oil. I could be wrong. Okay, let's see what we got here. That smells good. That's a little more than oil. That's some kind of seasoned liquid. Thick. Goopy. I wonder if it has expeller pressed organic cane oil in it or sugar juice. I hope not. That generally when I see that in the ingredients, that's a bad sign. But this sounds good. I'm definitely smelling the ginger element of it. Where's the fill line? On the outside, I hate that. Let's give this a go. Yeah, the fill line should be on the inside of the bowl, because I mean, that makes sense. And also, I really appreciate it when companies also say how many milliliters it's going to be. Okay, I guess that's about it. Hello Kitty! Okay, I'll make more Hello Kitty. Okay, hold on, I'll be right there. You having fun? Good. Alright, so 2 minutes, stir it up, and 30 seconds more. Yeah. It's funny because those are fresh noodles. You don't have to really do too much to them. But One moment, I have to revigorate the Hello Kitty. Alright, I'm back. She watches a lot of Hello Kitty stuff on YouTube. Just so you know. If you were keeping track. I'm gonna try some, I need a little bitty baby spoon. Here's a little bitty baby spoon. I tell ya, baby utensils are the bomb. Because it's like, I'm gonna throw a little bit of this on it. We'll see how that goes. This is this fried chili lauga booga baba. I don't know what, I can't remember what the name is, but it's, people seem to be raving about it on Reddit. I've heard it from two completely different people. One on Reddit, one not. Let's see. Alright, I suppose I'd better go stir. There we go. 30 seconds. 30. I'm gonna go with this bowl. This is not my favorite bowl. The contrast here is just too high. What I really want is more like the one I used in the last episode. I don't know. I really want to find, I think I just need to go to Japan. Most of my bowls are Japanese, but I don't know. Ow! It's all frothy. Why is it frothy? I ask. Thusly, this does not look, I don't know. We'll give it a try. I gotta keep my mind open, yo. Okay. Yeah, no. Okay, so this looks questionable. I don't know. It doesn't really matter what it looks like. It matters what it tastes like. And the noodles are scaring me, to be honest. I don't have a lot of faith in this part. Let's give it a try. A buddy of mine liked these. Alright. Here's the broth. I never thought I'd say it, but for a chicken, there's just too much ginger in it. This would be great if you're sick, but yeah, I don't know. That's interesting. I'm not gonna give it a horrible score, but I'm just not as. I'll put it this way. It's about where I expected it to be. It's not blowing my mind, but it's kind of got a funkitude to it that. There you go. guess. Damn you, egg. There. Be nice. Be nice, eggs. Oh, come on. There you go. And then we're gonna go with... I made this chicken. I made it in the oven. It is good chicken. I walked 10 miles this morning. I ate a grip of it, and I'm going to eat this too. It's like 300 grams of chicken. Yeah, protein. And then, in a little bit, I'm going to drink some more of my like hardcore, ultra caffeinated pre-workout drink thing. And then I'm going to try to like do another 10,000 steps. I'm going to get in 15 miles today if at all possible. That's how I roll. Throw a slice of this is Naruto Maki. And I've been getting, don't get funny with me, but I've been getting my what do you call them? My spring onion at Walmart, and it's actually, as far as the color goes and the quality, they come in bags. It's really strange, but it's good stuff. I don't know if they like water them with like some kind of special agent green onion, but it works. Shichimi, I say okay. There we go. Uh-oh, that didn't sound good. Did you spill your noodles? Some shichimi. I gotta go see what happened out in the living room. After I put a little... Oh, I was gonna use this stuff. Let's use this stuff. You okay? You're fine. Yeah. Good. Daughter's having her noodles. Things are groovy. So we got this, I want to say it's like Lago Mama or something like that. Okay. Don't give me crap about this because I just don't even want to spend the time. Ah! Up yours! Ah! Up yours! Everybody likes this stuff, Chinese oily stuff that's now all over the frickin' place. No, no, no. You can't see it. Oh, thank God. You can't see it, folks, and it made a mess, but it could have been a lot worse. A lot worse. Oh, and that went to the side, everything went to hell. Oh my God. Okay. So we're gonna try this. I lucked out. That could have been so much freaking worse. Oh, it's all over that, too. Oh, and it's all over the... Okay. It's a mess. We're gonna recover. How many of you have made a mess? I've never done it before. Wow. Oh, it's on my pants! Damn it! Oh. Oh. Okay. Smells interesting. I blame you, person on this whoa, it's all mucky. That's probably why they like it. It gets pretty. Let's see how it tastes. That's good. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I dig that. Thank you, Reddit and other guy. God, I wish this container was a little more sensible, though. Christ. This is gonna cause me grief every time I open it. I can tell. I can tell. Get on the floor? I don't think so. Well, I'm gonna wash my hands a lot, and why don't you have a look at rotate, and I'll be right back. It's always an adventure, isn't it? Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.